In this video, I'm going to tell you all about why you need this type of filter wrench if you're changing multiple different sizes of filters. What's up, guys? This is Brent with 247parts.com, the best place online to buy your John Deere parts. Now let's go ahead and jump right into why you need this type of filter wrench in your shop or garage if you're that person that does maintenance on multiple different machines. Now, and the reason being is that with the size of this and how we use this filter wrench adapts to so many different filter sizes, it will be one of the most versatile tools that you have for doing engine maintenance, changing oil and filters. So what I've got here is two of the most common engine oil filters on John Deere mowers. That's going to be an AM 107-423 and an AM 125-424. And then I've also got a John Deere fuel filter over here as well. Not something I typically work with, but it serves good for this video. So with the strap style filter wrench, this is going to fit any and all of these filters. If we bring out the AM 125-424, how we would do that if we were using it was we would put it onto the filter. We would roll it up just like this. That would make contact with the filter there, and the strap on strap there causes a lot of tension. And then what we do is use our 1/2-inch ratchet, putting it into the filter wrench just like so, and then we continue to turn this back just like that to take that filter off. Now I'll show more of an example here in a minute on an actual machine, but the point here is that not only will it fit this filter, but we can see how much larger this filter is, and we could do the same thing here. We could simply slip that on and wrap that up just like that. Same thing with our smaller filter here. Same thing, slip that on, wrap it up. It's going to fit any of these filters. Now what gets some people in trouble is that we go with a cap style filter wrench like this, which these can be great for the AM 125-424 that fits just perfect. But you can see that there are notches here on this filter, and there are notches in this cap style, so it fits perfect in there. We can use it, that's great. But if we move over to the smaller filter here, as we can see, it won't work for that. And then here on this larger filter, it won't work for that. So we are very limited when we get these cap style filter wrenches to what we can use them for. And most of them will have a measurement here on them. This one says 74 millimeters to 76 millimeters. And who's gonna take the time to measure their filters? So if we have a strap style filter wrench, we know that we've always got the right size of wrench for whatever that job may be. So now for our live demonstration, it was about time for an oil change in the X320 here. And so we will start by putting on our strap wrench here, and we are just going to twist this up just like this until we make solid contact with the filter, just like that, twisting it up. Now we want to make sure that we're always twisting this going in a counterclockwise motion, as we're only going to be using this to take the filter off. And we're going to hook up our ratchet here. We'll start to crank this back, and you'll see right there that it takes that filter loose with ease, just like that. Now, the way I've always been taught is to only take a filter off with a filter wrench, not to go back on with one so we don't over tighten it. But as you can see there, when we use this filter wrench, it is going to dent your filter. So you definitely don't want to try to use this to go back on with your filter. We always just want to go back on hand tight as we can. So just keep in mind when choosing your tools, always go with the most versatile option that will fit more needs rather than less. So guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, if you need any John Deere parts at all, make sure you go check us out at 247parts.com. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to go buy your parts right here and subscribe right here.